Split window number 4 of the month of February bought. This will be the 4th one I bought in February. This one's silver, red gut, survivor car, all original paint. How that door shuts, beautiful. Original motor. Another plus on this car, look how pretty it is underneath. Never undercoated, solid frame. My dad and I owned this car back in 2015, sold it to another friend of ours, and then it got sold to Hendrick's. Hendrick's owned it for a couple years and then sold it to a friend of mine, and now I'm buying it back. Just bought it back. Number 4, got a big warehouse though, full of cars. Kinds of stuff in here. Corvettes, Camaros, trucks, a little bit of everything. Split window number 4 for February of 2021. A real silver with red interior car. Original motor, all original interior, all original paint, no hip body. You don't find them like this. My dad and I owned this car back in 2015. We're the ones that originally found it. Dug it out, sold it. Now it's coming back. Hasn't got restored or anything since. Check back, guys. We'll be posting more videos of this car. Alright guys, this is before on the Survivor 63 silver red split window. Already cleaned the interior. It's got a good start on it already. He's gonna wash the outside and under the hood now. No hit body. Original motor, all original heads, transmission, rear end. That's how you want to find it. All original paint, and all original interior, everything. Alright, I'm gonna scrub it. Like after we gave it its first bath and scrubbed it. Get it inside here later today. Pull the motor out of it and take it down to the engine shop. Get it rebuilt. One more original on this one. Cleaned up pretty good. Dash pads are nice. Already got new seat covers and new carpet for it. On top of the red oxide. And they put this green sealer over it, and they shot it in silver. That's pretty good. So the original motor has all the original heads on it still. Ever even hit. I think they're just stripping it and starting to they had a big long hood on it in its life, and that's why that hood's still in such good shape. overall though. Nice, pretty nice car. Cleaned up good. Needs a set of bias ply tires with white walls on them. Have that great look. And the body off our 63 silver red split window Survivors. Like that. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Let's go. Keep going. Up, up and away. We got this body off the frame. I'm gonna roll the frame out and do the frame now. What's today's date? Hold on, stop.
April 22nd.
April 22nd. Is everything unhooked under there? Good? All right, keep going. Take it the whole way up. We're gonna lift it up the whole way. All the bolts unscrewed. No problem. Didn't break no bolts. Come right off. I'm gonna get a nicer frame than that. Body. Floorboards are beautiful. This original car. I can still see the VIN number in the frame over here real easy too. I will find it. It will be here. You definitely see the VIN number. Clean. One chin. All right. Got it undone. Still can open the doors. Like that. Still can open and shut the doors with it off the frame. That'll tell you how nice and original this car is. Find me another that comes apart that easy. Bet you won't. Dropped off at the powder coater, sandblaster and powder coater. Silver red split window frame. Comes back, it'll be pretty. Cleaning the underside of the silver red Survivor one owner 63 split window. Not that it was real bad, but we're gonna make it beautiful and white, brand new again. Try not to clean that off right there, the 405. We're gonna let that there. We're gonna clean this all off and make it pretty again. Frame's about done. So it'll be back on its restored chassis. Make it run and drive like it is and then figure out what to do with it next. Everything's well on the run now. We're gonna get it clean. The car wasn't that bad. It was a good original car, but it'll look good once clean. 63, 327, 340 horse silver red split window we have. Chassis completely done. This is the original frame. We used all the original bolts. Just sandblasted and clear coated all the original bolts. Put all the original bolts back in this car. Everything. Original rear, original tranny, original motor. I mean, all the brakes are done. Everything's done. Motor, we just got back from the engine rebuilder. Solid lifters. Got it out here, got it painted. Got all the floorboards cleaned up, firewall cleaned back up, all that stuff painted, redone, re-undercoated all the floorboards. Engine's done. Solid lifters, heads are all brand new. Everything's brand new on this motor. This car will be nice. Body's down there on the dolly for that frame in there. So this is the original body, no hit. All original paint, all the interior's original. We cleaned all the floorboards back off the bare glass underneath. All the floorboards are white, everything's white like it should be. Redid all the fender wells are brand new, redone, all of them. Interior's all original. Even on dolly, look how the door's shut. Still gotta reroute the wiring harness. I gotta take it and clean it. I have it all unplugged. Gotta clean it yet. Redid the firewall, everything. All the fenders up underneath. Floorboards are all white. So, a little bit of work. We're gonna get the body back on the frame next week. Hopefully be driving it by the end of next week. Firewall and inner fenders are all done and repainted. Looking good. Come a long way since when I got it back in at the end of February. And this is original paint on this car. You'll find them like that. Limp floors. Alright guys, stay tuned. Got the body back on the frame. Look at this, guys. This is how they should look. Completely restored. We used all the original bolts, everything that came out of it went back in. We only replaced what we had to. Looks like jewelry. That's how they're supposed to look. No hit body, look up in the fender wells. That's how you want to see them. Beautiful car here. All white floorboards. Finish putting all the chalk marks on them soon. It should be. Beautiful car underneath. Got the right fuel filter coming for here and the right stud for this. I have a new air cleaner lid for it, sealed it. Yeah. Sounds good though. Wipers, horn. How about the headlights? It all works. Flip them headlights. Look at that. They both flip at the same time. All of them are key threes, and they work. Wipers work, all tail lights work, wipers work. I'm gonna find a better one than this. Drive it like this if you want, boys.